Did you know that by the time you hit 40, your body starts to lose its ability to repair itself? Sounds scary, right? But here's something even crazier. Research shows that after 40, your cells age twice as fast compared to your younger years. That's not just about wrinkles, it's about how your organs and tissues are slowly breaking down, too. A shocking study from Harvard University found that by age 50, people can have as much as a 40% decrease in their muscle mass. And as your muscles weaken, your metabolism slows down, making it even easier to gain weight. But it's not all doom and gloom, there's a science-backed fix. In this video, you'll learn how to fight back against aging, starting with simple daily habits. We'll dive into how sleep, stress, and even what you eat could be making you look and feel older. Stay tuned as we explore these easy strategies to slow down your body's aging process and feel younger than your age. Chapter 1: The Hidden Culprit: Why Your Cells Are Aging Faster Than You Think. You've probably heard of aging at the cellular level, but did you know that your body is fighting a losing battle against time every day? Our cells, over time, lose their ability to repair and regenerate, which is why aging becomes more apparent after 40. This process is mainly due to mitochondrial dysfunction, a key player in aging. Your mitochondria, often referred to as the powerhouses of your cells, lose their efficiency as you age. By the age of 40, mitochondria produce fewer energy molecules, which accelerates aging at the cellular level. It's not just mitochondria though. Another factor is oxidative stress, caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that damage cells and contribute to premature aging. A study in the Journal of Clinical Investigation found that oxidative stress is one of the primary reasons for aging, as it damages our DNA, proteins, and lipids. The good news? You can fight this damage by increasing your intake of antioxidants found in fruits, veggies, and certain supplements. And don't forget about telomeres, those little caps at the ends of your chromosomes. As you age, telomeres shorten, leading to cell death or malfunction. Telomere shortening is a major factor in the aging process, but studies show that lifestyle changes, such as exercising and eating a healthy diet, can actually help slow down this process. Chapter 2: The Sleep Deprivation Dilemma: Why 8 hours might not be enough. We all know that sleep is important, but many don't realize just how critical it is to your aging process. Sleep isn't just about rest, it's when your body does most of its repair work. When you sleep, growth hormone levels rise, helping your body repair cells and tissues. However, the quality of your sleep matters just as much as the quantity. Studies suggest that poor sleep quality can increase the rate of aging. For example, a study in the Journal of Clinical Sleep Medicine revealed that people who slept poorly had increased signs of skin aging, including fine lines and decreased elasticity. This happens because your skin repairs itself during deep sleep, and when you don't get enough of it, this process slows down. And here's something most people don't know: if you're not getting enough restorative sleep, your cortisol levels rise. This stress hormone can damage your skin's collagen, leading to wrinkles. A study by the National Institutes of Health showed that sleep deprivation increases cortisol production by up to 45%. So, getting more quality sleep can actually be one of the simplest and most effective ways to prevent premature aging. Chapter 3: Stress Overload: The Silent Aging Accelerator You Can't Afford. It's no secret that stress can make you feel older. But did you know that chronic stress accelerates physical aging too? When you're under stress, your body pumps out cortisol, which is fine in short bursts, but prolonged exposure is harmful. Research has shown that long-term high cortisol levels can increase cellular aging by shortening telomeres. And shorter telomeres are linked to a shorter lifespan. A study published in Psychoneuroendocrinology found that chronic stress accelerates the aging process by reducing the regenerative abilities of cells. In fact, a stressed person's cells can appear 9 to 17 years older than someone who is more relaxed. So, if you're feeling stressed out all the time, it's likely showing up on your skin and your overall health. What's the fix? Start managing stress with techniques like mindfulness meditation, yoga, or even deep breathing exercises. Studies show that practicing mindfulness can reduce cortisol levels and slow down the aging process. A study from the American Psychological Association revealed that just 10 minutes of meditation a day can significantly reduce cortisol levels. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to slow down aging and feel your best at any age. Chapter 4: Eating to Age Backwards: The Surprising Foods That Are Making You Older. What you eat has a huge impact on how fast you age, and it's not always the foods you might expect. Sure, Junk food is bad for your body, but some other common foods might be making you age faster. Sugar, for example, is a major culprit. When you consume sugar, it reacts with proteins in your body, forming harmful molecules called AGEs, advanced glycation end products. These molecules damage collagen and elastin, leading to wrinkles and sagging skin. A study published in Cell Metabolism found that high sugar intake accelerates aging by increasing inflammation and oxidative stress. Cutting back on sugary foods can have a big impact on how you age, starting with your skin. Alcohol is another aging accelerator. It dehydrates your skin, leaving it looking dull and wrinkled. It also interferes with your body's ability to repair itself at night. Research from the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology has shown that alcohol can deplete your skin of vital nutrients like vitamin A, which are essential for skin repair. On the flip side, anti-aging foods can help reverse this process. Berries, green leafy vegetables, nuts, and oily fish are packed with antioxidants and healthy fats that protect your skin from damage. In fact, a study in the Journal of Nutrition showed that people who eat a diet rich in antioxidants have smoother skin and less visible signs of aging. Chapter 5: Why Your Skin Can't Keep Up. The collagen crisis after 40. Collagen is the key to youthful skin, but after 40, your body's natural collagen production drops dramatically. In fact, studies show that by the time you reach your 40s, your skin loses about 1% of its collagen each year. This loss contributes to wrinkles, fine lines, and sagging skin. One fascinating fact is that collagen isn't just important for your skin, it's essential for your joints and bones as well. As collagen production declines, you may notice more joint pain and stiffness. But don't worry, there's hope. Research shows that consuming collagen supplements can help boost collagen production. A study in the Journal of Medical Nutrition and Nutraceuticals found that women who took collagen peptides for 12 weeks saw a 20% improvement in skin elasticity and a reduction in wrinkles. Another way to help your body maintain collagen is by protecting it from UV rays. A study published in Dermatologic Surgery found that sun exposure accelerates collagen breakdown. Wearing sunscreen every day, even when it's cloudy, can significantly slow down the aging process by protecting your skin's collagen. Chapter 6: The Secret Anti-Aging Hack You've Never Heard of. A new approach to longevity. If you're serious about slowing down the aging process, there's one new approach you should know about: intermittent fasting. Recent studies have shown that fasting for just 16 hours a day can help improve cellular repair and reverse some signs of aging. In a study published in Cell Reports, researchers found that intermittent fasting boosts autophagy, the process by which your body removes damaged cells and regenerates healthy ones. But it's not just about fasting. Another anti-aging breakthrough involves increasing NAD+ levels. NAD+ is a coenzyme that helps your cells produce energy, and its levels decline as you age. Boosting NAD+ can help reverse some aspects of aging by improving cellular function. A study in Nature Communications found that supplementing with NAD+ precursors improved skin elasticity and overall cellular health in older adults. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now, and the results are incredibly promising. There's even a growing body of evidence suggesting that these strategies, when combined with a healthy lifestyle, can increase longevity and quality of life. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss more insights on staying young, healthy, and feeling your best.